Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Here we make pronouncing tricky words simple and fun. Today we're tackling a challenging medical term, rhabdomyolysis. Let's dive right in. This word is often mispronounced as rhabdomyolysis or rhabdomyolysis. But don't worry, by the end of this video you'll be able to say it like a pro. The correct pronunciation is rhabdomyolysis. First part, rab, rhymes with tab. Second part, do, like the word dough. Third part, my, like my in myself. Fourth part, a-lu-sis. Break it into a, la, and sis. When you say it all together, it's rhabdomyolysis. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me, rhabdomyolysis. Let's break it down slowly. Rhabdomyolysis. Now faster. Rhabdomyolysis, rhabdomyolysis. Awesome. Rhabdomyolysis is a serious medical condition where muscle tissue breaks down, releasing proteins and electrolytes into the blood. This can damage the kidneys and other organs if untreated. It's a big word for a big problem, and now you know how to pronounce it properly. Great job learning how to pronounce rhabdomyolysis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment with any other tricky words you want me to cover. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation tips. See you in the next video.